Hey, it's Aziza Kibibi, and I just wanted to share some of my techniques on how to disinfect to keep your house clean and free of COVID-19. In this short tutorial, I'm mopping the kitchen floor. I'm kind of OCD when it comes to cleaning, so please definitely hit the comment box and let me know if you want to see more of these kind of videos. And as always, like, subscribe, share, and enjoy this video on disinfecting your kitchen floor.
Bleach, some Clorox, and some hot water, a little pine oil. Most of the smells, because I feel like, I don't know how much pine oil is some, but literally, it's the bleach that I'm looking to kill the germs and bacteria. So, I really like these microfiber mops, because you can wring them out really good. But what I don't wring it out all the way, so I can get a little bit of the bleached water onto the floor, and it's in the crevices, so it can really get in there. Right, let's do that bleach water around.
Please do.
The solution. And then, are you getting here? Then we give it a good ring. Right? And that now soaks up. Get all the corners. And it soaks up the water in the solution.
They don't give refunds until about 15 business days.
I like to give it just one more pass. And there you go.
She's giving instructions on how to mop the floor.
And then the other half, get some of the water out. Just some. So we have a soaking wet mop to get water onto the floor. Into the grout. Get that bleach into the grout.
What do y'all hooks out there? I know y'all got them. Niggas shoot everywhere. I don't know. I don't know what's mine. I hate that. But other places, I think I know. I don't care.
Flip the mop, because I think a lot of mistake people make when they're cleaning, they use the same dirty side to clean other parts.
I found a $60 projector.
Ladies, hold your stomach in. It's definitely a workout. Get that core. Kill the Rona. Whoa, who has the house right now? Okay. All right.
I hope this helped. Be safe, be blessed, for you are a blessing, and remember, subscribe.